In the East Bay, there are few more prized neighborhoods than those of Rockridge and Elmwood. But in a small strip of neighborhood, in between the two areas, the real prize can be found. Hi, I'm Claudia Mills, and this is why I'm so delighted to bring 446 65th Street to market, because in addition to being in such a prime location, this is a fantastic home. Here's a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath Edwardian that underwent a down-to-the-studs renovation in 2012. This renovation blended its 1906 roots with fabulous modern aesthetics and newer systems, making it stylish and easy to live in. Entering through the front porch and entry, one is immediately aware of the perfection of detail and finish. The living room is filled with light thanks to the front-facing bay window, and the blend of period details and dark hardwood floors lends a level of rare excellence. The adjacent large formal dining room is similarly elegant. A modern brass chandelier again mixes the old and new, making it a delightful room to entertain in. Then it's on to the kitchen, which is a chef's delight. Copious marble countertops surround a U-shaped design, and it's completed by stainless steel appliances. In addition, the chef is part of the goings-on in the adjoining family area. This glass space opens out to the splendor of the backyard and the possibility of almost year-round enjoyment of the decks and private patio. The final charm of the offering is the rebuilt garage. This space can be anything you want, from Zoom room to zone-out room. And who wouldn't want to spend a warm summer evening here? Upstairs, you find the bedrooms, with the primary suite located in the peaceful rear of the home. Inspired by a luxury hotel, the suite is spacious and light-filled with a Juliette balcony, allowing for even more connection to the huge redwoods beyond. The bath is spa-like with dual pedestal sinks and marble everywhere. The soaking tub is sinful in its excess. Two other large, well-lit bedrooms are just down the hall, and they share a well-detailed bath. Finally, the smallest bedroom is perfect as a nursery or office. In all, this is a home that one would be lucky to live in, but real estate is primarily valued for its location, and this is located in between two of the East Bay's most treasured neighborhoods. Rockridge's bounty begins along College Avenue and includes all the amenities that makes life glorious. The same can be said about Elmwood. And a 10-minute drive gets you to the marvel that is the East Bay Regional Park, with its trails and views to die for. Thank you for touring 446 65th Street with me. Please feel free to reach out to schedule a private COVID-safe showing of this property. And thanks for watching.